Okay, so we're here in the Rational Kitchen Innovation Award booth. We won an award for Ultravent Plus. This awesome accessory with our unit takes steam, condensation, and smoke, removes it completely from the air, allowing us to grill steaks like we're doing here, cooking chicken legs, vegetables, French fries, and we can automatically remove the smoke and the steam and the grease all at the same time. So it's a great innovation. It's brand new for our platform, been on the market in Europe, and we brought it to the United States to allow operators here the same level of convenience and success. We have it used in combination with our 61. This is our 6-pan unit. And we see Chef Kathy right here. Say hi. We have 6 different pans that we can cook at the exact same time, the same cooking environment, allowing us to grill steak, do chicken wings, grill vegetables, all at the same time, whether that's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's a great flexible piece of equipment. We have a whole range of features, and the Ultravent is just an add-on plus for the entire platform.